The first part of the stress reset is called totally twisted. So move together with me. Taking your right foot, cross it over left. Right hand goes just under left armpit. Left hand on top of right shoulder. Give yourself a hug. Pull your belly button into your spine. Pull your pelvic floor up like you're holding your pee. Lock that in place. Slowly turn your head to the left. Fascia wants to move slow. Slowly rotate your upper body to the right. And we're going to do staged breathing where we breathe in through the mouth and hold 3 times before we exhale. So breathe together with me. Breathe in and hold like you're sipping air through a straw. 2, 3, hold at the top, exhale through the mouth. Drop the shoulders, breathe in and hold. More, exhale. One more time, breathe in. More, hold at the top, exhale. Lock your eyes over your left shoulder on something that's not moving. Breathe in through the nose and hold. Exhale through the mouth. 2, 3, 4. Rotate further to the right. 5. Head further to the left. 6. Keeping your arms and legs where they are. Slowly rotate back to center. Rotate your head to the right, body to the left. Breathe in through the mouth and hold. More. Hold at the top. Exhale out. Breathe in again. More. Drop the shoulders. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in and hold. More. One more if you can. Filling our body with air. Exhale. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly come back to center and unwind. Let's do the other side. You can take a little walk to integrate, or you can just kind of rotate your body, shake that off, wiggle it out, check in with how you're feeling. What are you noticing? Taking your left foot now to do the other side. Cross your left foot over right, left hand just under right armpit, right hand on top of left shoulder. This can also be done seated. Give yourself a hug. Pull your belly button into your spine. Pull your pelvic floor up like you're holding your pee. Lock that in place. Slowly turn your head to the left. Rotate your upper body to the right. Staged breathing with me, in through the mouth and hold. More. Hold at the top. Ooh, drop the shoulders, exhale. Again, in. More. Exhale. One more time, in. More. Hold at the top. I'm going kind of fast. Exhale. Good. Breathe in through the nose. Out through the mouth. 2, 3. Rotate your body more to the right. 4. Head more to the left. 5. And 6. Mama bird just came back. She's feeding her babies. Can you hear it? Slowly rotate back to center. Drop your shoulders. Keep your arms and legs in place. Slowly rotate your head to the right. Rotate your upper body to the left. All the babies are peeping up there. Peep, peep. Breathe in through the mouth and hold. More. Drop the shoulders. Exhale. Again, in. More. Exhale. One more time, breathe in and hold. More. Just when you think you can't, a little bit more. Fill your container, drop your shoulders, exhale through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. 2. Head a bit more to the right. 3. Body a bit more to the left. 4. 5. 6. Rotate back to center, slowly unwind. Notice your thoughts. Are your thoughts getting calmer, slower, less noticeable? Notice what you're feeling in your body. Just check in. Part 2 of the stress reset is anti-gravity, where we decompress the entire spine from the top of our neck all the way down to our sacrum and our tailbone. I'm going to show you some of the moves first, so watch this part first before you do it together with me. We're going to be interlocking our fingers under our hair if you have long hair. Interlocking your fingers just at the base of the head on the skin of the neck. Feet are hip width apart. It's okay. I'm just showing you now. I'm going to talk you through the steps in a moment. Pull the skin on the back of your neck up. And your intention, you're envisioning that you're pulling the skin all the way from the tailbone, all the way up the spine, up, out the top of your head. Just imagine that. Intention is probably more than 50% of the process. So as we're up here, we're going to breathe. Then we're going to come head down, elbows in. We're going to breathe in, and we're going to rotate. We're going to exhale back down. We're going to breathe in. We're going to rotate to the left. We're going to exhale back down. We're going to do that part 3 times. Then we're going to come into what's called a skier's squat. So we're going to come into a squat, pushing our butt back behind us, head up, chest up, and we're going to breathe in, rotate to the right and to the left. We're always exhaling back down when we come back down to center. And then for the final move, we're going to come all the way down to a full squat, all the way down here, and we're going to breathe together down there before we come up. And then we're going to come up together all the way up here before we release. And then all that cerebral spinal fluid that we've been holding and pulling, blood and lymphatics, release at the top. Whew, and we're going to enjoy that. So let's do this together, total way twisted. Full spinal decompression. Interlock your fingers at the back of your neck, at the bottom of your head, pulling the skin up. And bring your elbows out so you feel this expansion and this opening in your heart center and this opening in your chest. And we're going to breathe together, chest up, head up, elbows out, breathe in through the mouth. And out. 2. 3. Good, in through the nose. 2. 3. Now, bring your chest down, chin to chest, down. Bring your elbows to your ears, breathe in through the mouth. Slowly rotate your upper body, your head and neck to the right. Exhale back down. Breathe in through the mouth. Rotate your head to the left, keeping your hips and waist and mid back in the same position. Exhale back down. Again, in. Rotate right, exhale down. In. Left. Down. One more time on each side. In. Right. Down. In. Left. Down. That's working our cervicals or upper spine. Come into a squat, pushing your bum back behind you. Head up, chest up. Pull your elbows in. Put your chin to your chest. Breathe in through the mouth. Rotate mid-back and head to the right. Exhale down. In. Look to the left under that armpit. Exhale down. In. Right. down, in, left, exhale down, in, right, down, in, look to the left, exhale down. Excellent. All right, if you can't do a full squat, stay right here for this next part. Otherwise, come down to a full squat with me. Bring your head all the way down, elbows all the way in. Breathe in through the mouth. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, coming up with your butt first. Keep your head down by your knees. Straighten your legs. Slowly breathe in through the mouth and out. 2, 3, in through the nose, out through the mouth. 2, 3. All right, keep your hands where they are. Slowly coming up one vertebrae at a time, pulling that skin on the back of your neck, on the back of your head. So you're coming all the way up, 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 slowly to standing. Now go further where you're looking up at the sky or the ceiling, bringing those elbows out. Feel your shoulder blades reaching towards each other and your heart expanding and opening up. Take a breath here at the top. Let it go in your own time. And let your arms go when you're ready. And feel that rush, feel that wave. Notice what you feel in your body. Are you feeling lighter? Tingly? Just check in. And the third part of our stress reset is palate swipe, where we're going to use our thumb inside our mouth. So, taking your right foot, cross it over your left. Right hand on left shoulder, left hand on right shoulder. You're going to take your right thumb, so it's inside here, and we're going to go inside the mouth at the very back right side on the right molar, and we're only going in one direction here. Swiping, you're going to press up into the palate and swipe from right to left 6 times together with me. Okay? Here we go. Bringing your thumb all the way back. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, take a little walk. If you don't have the space to integrate that, just take a walk around the room or the area you're in. Walk in a figure 8 pattern and notice how you feel. Walking for a moment or two will help to integrate this work. If you do this every single day for 28 days, you will notice, well, you can tell me what you notice. I have noticed changes in all aspects of my life, my stress levels, my physical body, how it feels, my sleep, my relationships, all areas of life. But I would love to know what you notice after trying this. Comment below and let me know what you think.